Another day to remind you, you must not go to salon before you do your personal skincare as a woman. If by this time you have been following me for years, you haven't learned one or two from Benny Omoido, meaning you're on the gossip side. Anyways, what is life without gossip? Now the gossip self, they made the life this sweet. Just try choose your gossip mate well, make you not go leak your secret later. Oh yeah, wake up with me. I had already settled all my family member finish. They already know today is mommy day. So I am doing it myself. I'm not the outing type to go to visit hair care salon, nail care salon, pedicure salon, this one salon, that one salon. Meaning at the end of 1 week, we are going to end up visiting. We'll do nothing with our life to pay bills in this particular country where we are. At this point, I don't lose my hair. What I don't carry for my hair since unto say my wife get belly. I not feel good. They disturb pregnant woman make my hair. So I go make and the way my power reach. Then stuff with the wash and with the weaving together. So if it's scatter like that, guess what? It's not that dirty. So we don't wash and finish. Wash my hand, prep my face. Just I prepare the face to scrub and scrubbable, remove all the by skin. At this particular time, I dey use scrub take dey wallow all the dirty comot to open her so that I go press out all this dead black hair away from the skin. Then use thread to open all the cuticle. Use this warm towel to replace the steam they would have used for you in the salon. For me, I have a steam, but this one is just easy way for me to just do my face. Then now we are closing all those pores that we just opened with a mask. Then pull down this my bag for my nail. We're going to cut off those nails, cut it down, remove all the cuticle area, all the hard cuticle. Just cut it down, prep it, clean it up, file it, remove the shiny layer, then spray our file with sanitizer. Then we return the bag back to sender. Just leave the file to soak up with the sanitizer. At this particular time, I had to just divide the hair. I apply my hair shampoo because it's not just ordinary shampoo. It also works a lot on my scalp. So I just apply it, leave it for some time, work on my under eye and pull up all this. I don't want to disturb you guys with this. We've been doing a lot of removing hair. So just wipe. We take off the hand, we take off the armpit, then do other parts of camera. Then take off all those ones, pack all the yama, pack it away, then clean my spot, spray it with sanitizer. Oh yes, there you go again with my favorite part. Believe me, when you have good skincare products, you're going to bathe morning, you're going to bathe night because you just want to wake up and see your skin glow. There go with this body wash from Exotic Cosmetic UK. Body wash filled up with a lot of beautiful ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, turmeric, and many more that will just leave your body glowing morning, day, and night. With just one or little pump is enough for you to wash all over your body. Can you see the scrub? I have eaten a lot of it. I have used a lot of scrub before, but the fact that after bathing myself, I will start bathing my bathroom every day just because the ingredient used in making the scrub just stain everywhere is what I do not like. But you see this particular one, if I am to give you 9/10 before, now we're making it 10/10 because the coloring, oh, everything flow away with the water. Now we are done. I go ahead and use this butter. And when I say butter, not before bread. Before you go carry bread, come and see cut for me. This one is body butter. And they call it body butter, answer because it kind of just make your skin soft and glow all day. Then I apply my make it toner on my face. Then apply this corrector, like dark spot corrector. My God. Do you see this dark spot corrector? Let me not talk much. Apply it on my face. Then under my eye, I apply my product there. Then go ahead with this little vitamin C. Just a drop of this will take all of your face and your neck. You guys, I'm giving this product 10/10. At the same time, I'm using this on my scalp. This oil that help your scalp, that also help your hair growth from Exotic Cosmetic UK. Now, just look at your baby girl. Madam is already hungry. And of course, we have to settle daddy first. Give daddy. Okay. Then we come back to what we are eating because I already have it. Don't even say this too much because I'm super hungry. Anyways, this is just me mixing up all the mixable, adding it together, then sit properly to enjoy my food while I sit to enjoy the video my husband and the kids make when they went for a walk. I just hope you learn one or two here on this video.